Instagram, Facebook. Hoods up! Hoods up! Got the brother with his BMW in a 7-Eleven parking lot. What, you living in your car, bro? I've been there. What's wrong, man? You got your hood up. What, you need a charge? Yeah, I know you ain't got no AAA. I'm telling you, man, I'm driving around. Now, 3 hoods up. You know what hoods up mean? You guys ain't taking care of your car. That $5.39 gas is getting in that ass. That's what let me show you. Would you rather pay 0% or 20% for interest? I told you to let me show you how to turn extra debt into cash, but some of you guys just don't want to listen. You want your hood up. What's wrong with your car, man? Can you take it to the dealer? Or some shady mechanic? Subscribe to this channel. Stay connected. Let me give you enough money, at least get you an oil change or get you a charge for your battery.